Yeah, hey Lynn. I'm kind of worried here. One of my kids thought it would be funny to play a prank on me, and he took the sea monkeys and put it inside my glass of milk. And I drank it.
Now let me go ahead and find out if that's going to pose you any harm.
That's what I'm worried about, because I'm looking on the internet here, and it says that they can live in there for up to 2 weeks. Is that true?
In your stomach?
Yeah.
No, that can't. That I know can't be true.
Oh, good. I had these visions of these little monkeys in my stomach.
Yeah, no.
Oh, that's a relief.
Yeah, you're not in any danger.
Oh, good. Well, now, here's what I was wondering. I got these little tiny sea monkeys, and they swim around and do their thing. So, what are they anyway? I mean, are they like battery controlled? Are they real? I mean, is it going to hurt me? Or
well, but once upon a time I knew the answer right off the top of my head.
Are they a type of toy? Are they plastic?
Well, they come in a packet.
They come in a... Yeah, I saw... Yeah, well, I put them in there, and they had the little tiny,
and they
like...
grow with water.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kind of like those things that you put in water and they get bigger. You know, those funny things?
Yeah, I like those.
Shrinky dinks, yeah, that's it. My kids think it's hilarious. My kid right now is in the corner just laughing at me hysterically because he thinks it's funny. Now, I looked on there and they said something about it being shrimp. Is that true? Because I'm a vegetarian and that really bothers me.
Just one moment.
Okay.
I don't want pictures of sea monkeys.
You want pictures of sea monkeys?
Oh, no, I said I don't want pictures of sea monkeys.
Oh, alright. I could probably take you one if you gave me a camera in my stomach.
That's okay. No, stop. Please. Please, Lex. They have video of sea monkeys. That's gotta be enough.
They have videos of sea monkeys?
Yep. They've got everything on the internet.
Wow. What the internet can't do.
Yeah, that is true.
Although it gave me false information about them living in my stomach for 2 weeks, which was very disconcerting.
Your stomach acid kills off everything.
Oh, good, because I was taking all types of Pepto-Bismol. I literally, drank a whole thing of Pepto-Bismol. Do you think I should throw them up or something?
Well, they are a type of brine shrimp.
Brine shrimp?
Yeah.
Oh, this is just terrible. I mean, I'm a member of PETA and everything. I hate hurting animals. I can't... I feel so bad that I have these little living things swimming around in my stomach. Do you think they'll be okay?
I'm sure they're fine.
Oh, good. That's a relief.
Backside. Oh. It's disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm...
Has anybody else ever had this type of phone call?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I had words.
Wow. Kids just do all types of things, man. You never know what's going to happen.
I have a 4-year-old and a 4-month-old, and
oh, jeez.
they won't do.
I know one day you got poop written all over your walls, the next day you're eating brine shrimp, you know?
Yeah.
Ugh. Well, I mean, should I get replacements for them? I mean, I have this whole little set with they have this whole set with a moon, and they're like astronauts, and I see them in there wearing their little spacesuits and.
I would just go to the idea that I would be scared to have another, cocktail of sea monkeys.
Exactly. Just thank God my dog doesn't fit in my glass. Who knows? I'd be drinking poor Dot, you know? My dog's name's Dot, by the way, just so you know.
Oh.
Yeah, she's a cute dog.
Nah.
Like to pet her.
No, you're not getting sea monkeys up. Mommy can't even give the idea of shrimp because they're bottom feeders.
Are you talking to me?
Oh, no, my 4-year-old.
Oh! Are you at home?
Yes, I am.
Oh man, I need that job. That's awesome.
It's pretty cool.
That's great. Wow, that's really cool.
No danger.
Oh, that's good. What a relief, man. I had visions of shrimp in my stomach. What's that?
Well, I said maybe they'll replace them for free.
That would be kind of nice. I mean, again, like you said, I'm afraid I'm going to drink them again, though. Yeah, that's real funny, isn't it, Jeff? Yeah, my kid is just laughing his head off.
Laugh at it. I mean, that's actually the whole philosophy behind raising kids.
Yeah, it is.
Without a sense of humor, you're not going to get anywhere.
I agree. In fact, I'm wondering if I shouldn't make him drink some sea monkeys. You know, it's kind of like a retaliation. Like, here's a bowl of sea monkeys. Maybe I could get like the little Barbie set, you know, with the frying pan and fry it up like a thing of shrimp or something. He doesn't like that. Now he's running away from me with the dog.
Yeah, that's always funny on the reverse end, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, you're right. It is. I'll show you yet, Jeff. All right. Well, thank you. You've been a dear.
Well, give me one moment. I'm
Oh.
going to see if maybe they'll replace those sea monkeys.
Oh, awesome.